and the event was canceled, I thought, I'm gonna go surprise him at work. And I went to the store and you weren't there.
No.
No. But Alex was. And he told me, you quit.
Yeah, I told you I wanted to quit.
You said you were thinking about quitting, not that you were going to.
When I tell you something is causing me distress and upset, that means I'm going to quit, and I'm going to quit.
I saw you at the gallery earlier, Jay. I know you're up to something. Do I need to be worried? Are you going to do something where you might be locked up again?
I'm going to do something. What do you think I could do?
I thought things had changed. I thought, we turned a corner, that I could really trust you, but obviously I can't.
Trust?
Yeah.
And I'm not the one to be trusted.
But it's not.
It's not what? What's it not?
You just don't understand, and I can't.